In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to update WhatsApp on your iPhone. So to ensure that you're running the latest version of WhatsApp with all the newest features and the newest security fixes, make sure you're running the latest update. Now, if for some reason your iPhone does not automatically update WhatsApp, then you can do it manually. Simply go to the App Store. Okay, so this is the Apple App Store. Just launch that. And in the App Store, just search for WhatsApp. From the results, open the WhatsApp Messenger application, which is this one right here. Just tap on that. And once the app is open, if there's an update available, you will see this button say update. Now, if your app is up to date, then it's going to say open. So since mine says update, it means I can actually go ahead and update. So just tap on that to update WhatsApp. So it's going to download the latest version, update it, and now you can see the button says open, which means WhatsApp is now up to date, and I can now relaunch WhatsApp and it's now updated. It's literally that simple. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments or questions down in the comment section. If you found this video useful, don't forget to leave a thumbs up, possibly even subscribe for more tips, and I will talk to you in the next one. Good luck.